Now, captain of the West Indies white ball teams, Pollard, says he was encouraged by the team's performances in the T20 series against Sri Lanka last month. The Caribbean side blanked the Sri Lankans 2-0 in the shortest format, and Pollard says the results will give the team a boost heading into the World Cup in Australia, scheduled to begin in October.
Coming back in, Brav, coming back in, and still there's a couple of guys around this setup who we would love to have, with us, to make that complete sort of, say, 20, 22-man squad where we can pick from. But again, the way that we played and the power we had in our lineup, the pace and the aggression, the athleticism in the field, it brought a smile to my face the way how we performed in those last two games. And I think we're getting there.
The ICC Men's T20 World Cup is set to run from October 18 to November 15. The West Indies are the defending champions after copying their second title in 2016. Their first came in 2012 in Sri Lanka.